In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Slack. Hyperlinking can greatly enhance your messages by providing direct access to relevant resources, which is incredibly useful for both team collaboration and personal organization within Slack. So, let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your Slack workspace and navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to place your hyperlink. Once you're there, start by typing out the message you plan to send. This could include an introductory line or some context for the link you're about to add. For example, you might type out, "Check out this useful guide." Now, let's move on to the next step. You'll need to activate the hyperlink feature to attach your link. You can do this by clicking on the link button located in the formatting toolbar just above your message input box. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and the letter U simultaneously to achieve the same result. This shortcut is particularly handy if you're integrating links regularly and want to speed up the process. With the hyperlink feature activated, you'll see a small window pop up, prompting you to enter your desired hyperlink. In this field, simply paste or type the URL of the web page you want to link to. It's important that you've copied the correct URL beforehand to avoid any errors. Once entered, double check that you've pasted it correctly, as even a small mistake in the URL could lead to a broken link, which can be confusing for someone trying to access the material. The final step in this process is to save your link. To do this, simply click on the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the pop-up window where you entered your URL. This action will embed your hyperlink within the text you highlighted. If everything's done correctly, your text should now appear as a clickable link within your message. Before hitting send, take a moment to review your message entirely. Make sure your hyperlink is working by hovering over the link. It should display a preview of the URL it directs to. This is a good practice to ensure that your links are always accurate and functional. And there you have it. You're now ready to send hyperlinked messages in Slack, making your communications more dynamic and resourceful. This is an excellent way to support your discussions with direct links to articles, documents, or other online resources that are pertinent to your team's projects. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.